What's going on, everybody? This is Brainstorms with Capital Conspiracy Trading, and I got another banger for you guys, free of charge. It's called VVPR, Vivo Power International PLC. What's extraordinary about this stock, you ask? Well, I have a prediction that I'm going to give you at the end of this video where I actually think it's going to go. If you listen to my other video today, I made a prediction on a stock that went boom today, and it's called Lumen. Lumn. They had great earnings. We alerted it on the Discord at $3, and it ran to 9. And then I made a video on it. It was at 5, saying you guys beware, and it ran to 9. But anyways, I'm just trying to guys show you some transparency in the Discord so you guys can check us out. Anyways, but that's not what this video is about here. This is VVPR. What's extraordinary about this stock is VVPR is an international battery technology and electrical vehicle service company. It's headquartered in the UK, and it also operates in Australia, Canada, Netherlands, and the Philippines, the US, and UAE. So, whatever. You've heard the electrical companies before. No big deal, right? It's $1.79. You're like, well, this is another fart in the wind. But really, this stock jumped last week while I was in a Halloween store with my wife, and it jumped all the way to $3.30. I bought in, and I was like, whoa, look at that. I'm up a good $400. And I didn't even buy in that heavy. Well, it went down, and I'm going to tell you why it went down. But anyways, let's do a little deep dive on VVPR. So I told you guys where it's located at, but they are about to do a merger, another merger play that I'm giving you guys ahead of its time, and this is going to be not mooning, but I'd say it's going to be at least $3.50, $4 by the end of this month, August 30th, and it's going to real moon by November. So they are merging with CCTSW, the new company. So the company after itself is going to be worth $838 million. And with the Vivo Power shareholders, VVPR, receiving 20% of the company. And so it shot up 37% right after that. So look at this. So we see on here Yahoo Finance, another Yahoo Finance thing. Shout out to Yahoo Finance. We love Yahoo Finance for a little bit of news. And guys, I love stock twits. I'm gonna post on stock twits, little the plays that we play and promote or whatnot. But don't ever get all your news from stock twits, guys. Please do due diligence. Some of the people on the Discord today saying I'm thinking about selling Lumen because everybody on stock twits said they had bad earnings and they suck. And I'm like, dude, don't even listen to stock twits. Stock twits is not where you do due diligence at. And lo and behold, not even 5 minutes later, he said, oh, I sold. I got too scared. Next thing you know, it mooned $5, and he was saying, should I rebuy? Should I rebuy? And I know the person that's listening right now, I love you. Hey, we're still brothers, but hey, don't go on stock twits for everything. Anyways, long story short, VVPR. What's extraordinary about that is you go to the news over here, hit that little icon, and even here, 6 days ago, this got voted this out of the 7 top stocks that they could even promote right now. VVPR was one of them. And look at this here. They extend the meeting, the heads of agreement, to August 31st. So I say that's why they're going to moon at that time. Once they merge with that other company that's way better and way more powerful than they are, VVPR is going to be doing their thing, and they're going to have a lot. I mean, it's not okay. I'm going to be transparent here, which I try to always be. This is not a long-term hold. This is after merger news, sell around $6 a share. So $6 if you want to hold it all the way to October. Me, I'm selling it end of August 31st, around September 1st when it moons. I'm going to make a good couple grand on it, whatever. I'm going to try to at least, right? And so yeah, even this is the price action today. If we're going to go here and we can go to the daily, look, you see it was at $9.49 in April, shot down, and this is what I was telling you guys. We alerted this here, and it shot all the way up, boop. Now we're postponing it, shot all the way down to 290, and now we're here in the 179s. VVPR, keep on your watch list. I have some other little deep dive things you guys can get me more familiar with what VVPR does. We're due diligence junkies over here. One of my buddies told me today that I think only shorts do the most due diligence. And mind you, we do short on this Discord some stocks, but we're mostly a bullish investing, depending on how the market's been. The market's been very bullish lately. But we are trying to find huge runners, and we do due diligence, I think, more than shorts, especially on this Discord. There's a lot of killers. We have a lot of alerters besides myself, and they're murdering it. Very smart individuals. Most of the people on here are engineers, and they're highly educated. I'll say we don't just have some random people on here. But anyways, so Vivo Power. What do they do exactly? Like I said, I told you where they're located. Well, they do renewable energy, so they do development, construction, and operation of solar projects. Solar is going to be new. Solar is going to be booming either way, you guys. Let's get a little bit conspiratorial. I think that the government wants us to move to green. And you hear all the world leaders and everybody saying, Green New Deal, Green New Deal, Green New Deal. So, I mean, that's one thing they got going for them. This involves a large-scale solar power generation and energy storage solutions. Weird thing, I don't know if you guys listened to that Joe Rogan podcast a while back, but Elon Musk was talking about that with 100, I think he said 100 miles. If we get 100 miles of solar power systems, just all connected together, that we can be able to give energy to the whole United States. I thought that was kind of interesting. Anyways, side note, they also do electrical vehicle solutions, including delivery services, so on and so forth. There is even I have a friend that works at Ford's, and they're all pushing towards electric vehicles. So it's inevitable. I'm gonna try to hold off on one, hopefully, and they do implementation measures to help businesses and organizations run that are already using pre-existing energy solutions that they pay for their services. So you're looking here, and today's volume is only 63,000 today. Its average volume is around 4 million. You guys, this is for a 30-day average, right? This is gonna moan again, and when it does, you heard it here. Anyways, you guys stay safe. This is Brainstorms with Capital Conspiracy Trading, and stay safe. Like I said, there's a lot of weird stuff going on out there in the world, and make sure you have storable food, water, ammo, and make sure you're right with God.